NVDA this morning. I took an Apple trade even though it was premature, and now I know never take premature trades. So I said if it held this level right here, I would take the trade. But obviously, it gave out and stopped me out around here at this level. So I'm going to buy this again if it comes back above 181.48. But as of now, I'm holding still. And then Nvidia, so I didn't respect my trade guidelines today. I said this was the buy zone today above here. And the reason why I took a trade around this area over here was because I was thinking gap fill. And also around this time, triple Qs was hanging at the buy area at 78.6. So that obviously failed. That stopped me out even on the monthly contract. So lesson learned is never anticipate the bounce. Let's always just play for confirmed breakouts. However, during this time I was trading my E-Trade account. I started with $2,000. However, I got stopped out, and I noticed once I closed my positions, I didn't have enough buying power. They weren't releasing my funds right away, so I transferred money to my Tasty account since it's a small account, and funds were available right away. So I transferred $1,500, and now so with that said, I took a trade in after closing my E-Trade account. I took a trade in my Tasty account. I can actually use a platform to trade instead of my cell phone. So knowing that E-Trade's platforms kind of sucks at home. So since I'm using the desktop now, I downloaded the Tasty Works platform and I traded there. I took the Qs on a bounce. I waited for this level and then I waited for confirmation for a bounce. Took this trade. I think I got out 30-ish%. So it's right here. So up 246 for the day. So on a 1500 account, so tomorrow it should be waking up at 1746. And then the trades tomorrow, what I have in mind is G&J. Still at the buy zone. Didn't move. Apple. We're going to wait and see if this gets back above the 100 line or 78.69. But here's a good one right here. Costco. I've been mentioning this for the past couple days now, and it's just been hanging around my entry point of 563.86. So that's going to be one of my buys tomorrow. And the Qs. So right now, since I already dumped it, what I want to see is I want to see this retest the bottom, 394. If that holds, then I'm going to get calls to 398 again, and even to 404. And I think I said Microsoft. I didn't get loaded up yet. And Microsoft. Yeah, here we go. So Microsoft close below the 20, but if you use your fibs, it pulled back to 38.2, which is the last line of resistance. So if we open up above the 50 line, we could push up all the way up to the 78.6, which is around 338. So what I want to see Microsoft tomorrow is we hold this line right here. We hold this bottom, right? We push above and hold this level right here. So what that does, it creates an inverse head and shoulder pattern like this. And that'll be ready for a push-up. So that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. And let me know what's in your guys' watch list. Maybe share it with me so we can take a look at it. But yeah, so on basically break even for the day. But I'm up on my Tasty account. So that's what I'm trading now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.